Welcome to Dow Stock Talk, where I talk about numerous investment opportunities, but more specifically, the stock market. Now, in this video, I'll be going over why you should invest your money. Stay tuned. Now, one of the first reasons why I say you should invest your money is due to inflation. So inflation means like the cost of goods end up going up, let's just say 2 or 3%. So if you just hold your money and you're not getting interest on it, each year you're losing buying power. Let me give you an example. Like $10,000 in 1980 would not be the same as $10,000 in 2020 because you can buy less. So that's why it is important to invest your money to at least keep up with inflation. One of another reasons why I say you should invest your money is because it allows you to have a better future, meaning it accelerates the pace. So when you invest, you can end up getting what they call the compound interest. So compound interest is you get interest on your money, and that gets interest, and that gets interest, which then allows you to eventually, the ultimate goal is to live off your interest. So I think that is really good because it definitely helps you accelerate meeting your financial goals, whether you want to buy a house, a car, pay for schooling, or even be part of the FIRE movement, which is like the early retirement movement. So another reason why I think you should invest your money is because it can definitely improve your quality of life. So hopefully you'll make wise financial decisions, and then at these times it will then allow you to have more time to spend with your family. Maybe some chores and stuff that you didn't really like to do, you can pay someone else to do it, and it can create a lot of nice opportunities for you. Small interruption, make sure you hit the like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm. Another reason why I think you should invest because it definitely can improve your quality of life, especially if you make good investment decisions. It then allows you to free up some of your time where you can then spend more time with your kids, spend more time with your family, or whatever that is. You can barely travel more, which is all nice things to do. And last but not least, one of the reasons why I think you should invest your money because then that will allow you to give back to others, whether it's in the form of charity or you funding their business as an investment, all different types of stuff. And it definitely will be self-fulfilling, and I think it will be something that you'll be proud of. So this is why you should invest your money. Now I know what you may be thinking. Okay, invest my money into what? How do I know my choices? How do I manage my risks? Well, in the next video, I'll be talking about different investment opportunities that you can choose from in order to invest your money. And that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification, and let me know in the comments below why you would like to invest your money.